Hello to everybody, our dear subscribers. FutureTrend channel is back to you, and today is 17th of September 2018, and we start a new portion of analysis regarding how to trade major currencies in the world financial markets. Today we'd like to attract your attention on four usual types of currency pairs we're discussing every day: euro dollar, dollar yen, sterling, the cable in other words, and dollar Swiss. As regarding economic calendar, let's analyze a little bit fundamental picture. As regarding economic calendar is looking rather empty for Monday. During the week we expect some interesting material in the form of Swiss National Bank interest rate decision in the middle of the week. Also, tomorrow is scheduled a speech of European Central Bank Chief Mario Draghi, which is also will be really very interesting. And we'd like also to point out that during the course of this week, economic calendar could be and will be rather empty from the United States side. But all in all, the situation still continues to circle around the trading topic. United States President once again threatened Chinese side that he's ready to impose the tariff, probably not of 25% on a row of Chinese goods imported into the United States, but this time he's ready to impose the tariffs of 10%, which is, of course, it's not so dangerous like before of 25% mentioned above, but as you could see, the Chinese still looking really very smart and really very strong. They told that they not ready to speak in such tone with the United States part, and they even ready to not to come by invitation of the United States trading representatives during this week to discuss the mutual interest and future relations between two economic giants. And as a result, we saw a rather good rebound in the dollar price at the end of previous trading session on Friday. It will be very interesting how the market will start this week. At the moment, as you could see, the euro dollar trading around 116.29. From a technical point of view, we a little bit broke on Friday current downtrend in the currency, but we did already sometimes such kind of breaking in the past, but without any kind of further developments, proceedings. And today, probably not today, but yesterday, the picture was the same. As you could see, the euro dollar is back to the weaker side. Anyway, from the technical point of view, the pair should remain above its current uptrend located at 115.90. That's why we suggest to slightly up it our stop profit level on existing long average at 115.55. We moved it to 115.85 at the moment, and still expect a possible test of the important barrier around 117.50. All in all, we are seeing stronger interest to sell the currency on any kind of upticks above 117 barrier. In case of breaking above 117.50, next level to watch in the price of the euro dollar, we expect will be the levels of 117.90, but much important barrier to watch to the upside will be located around the level of 118.50, where lies the highs from the middle of June. As regarding some other pairs, dollar yen still looking really very indifferent to current trading disputes between the United States and China. Once again, the dollar still receiving a portion of safe haven demand in any kind of uprising tensions between China and its trading partners, but in case of really big kind of trading wars, of course it could translate into the weakest story for the United States dollar, and in that case, from the risk-reward consideration, from the risk aversion situation, we suggest the Japanese yen will receive a really very strong demand. But that's just, we are speaking about the possible future. As regarding the sterling still keep its upper side its upside momentum because of improvement in the relations between the UK and the European Union regarding possible signing of trade agreement between the two economic powers, and in that case the cable should remain on the upper side and should keep its upside momentum. We still keep our long strategy, we still keep our long trade recommendation with a stop below 129.50. Once again, we point out that important barrier is located around current uptrend line of uptrend line of 2018, the year of 2018. That's located around 128.50 at the moment. And dollar Swiss, that's a really very different story for the Swiss crosses comparing to Japanese yen crosses. Despite of the trading disputes between the United States and its economic partners, the Japanese yen still looking really very weak. As regarding the Swiss franc, here the situation is really very different. And the moment it will be very interesting how the S&P will react to the current strength of the Swiss franc, especially on the crosses like Euro Swiss. As you could see, Euro Swiss still remaining below its downtrend line located at 114.40, and it will be very interesting how the S&P will react to the current slump in the Euro Swiss price. Below 112 during last trading week, and in case of further deepening, for example, to the psychologically important level of 110, also it will be very interesting how the S&P will react by a new round of intervention to prop up the weakness of the Swiss franc, or by some other instruments. We will see during this week S&P monetary policy decision, monetary policy meeting. Thank you very much for all of your attention to our channel, our dear subscribers. We wish you a pleasant start of the week and profitable trading day. FutureTrend channel was with you, and we hope that tomorrow you will be back with us.